Hey everyone, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today we have another mood blanket update as well as a little mini yarn haul, and today's video is kindly sponsored by Ana Luisa. So if you haven't heard of Ana Luisa before, it's a really sustainable jewellery brand based in New York. They are completely carbon neutral, so they offset 100% of their carbon emissions. They produce long-lasting jewellery that starts at $39 with no luxury markup. I'm wearing a few pieces they sent me and they are all really stunning, so let's go through them all. The first one is this gorgeous ring. It's called the Michelle Signet ring. It's usually £76, but they gave me a 10% discount for you guys. The code is Rambutina10. I'll have it on the screen, and the link to the website will be in the description box below, so make sure you click the link and use the code Rambutina10 to get 10% off all of their products on their website. So I usually go for small dainty rings, but this one really stood out to me on the website because look at that colour, it's so gorgeous. It's like this dark green malachite, I think it is. It's so pretty and the shape is so unique, and I don't have a ring this kind of size and shape before, so I thought I'd check it out, and I'm literally obsessed with it. I've been wearing it non-stop since I got it. They do offer some small dainty rings if this is not your style, so yeah, I definitely have my eye on those. But yeah, I'm really happy with this ring. It looks so cool. But yeah, they have a bunch of different styles. They're all really cool and unique. So yeah, you'll definitely find something. There's something for everyone, basically. Yeah, so it's a perfect gift for a loved one or to treat yourself. So that's the ring. I'm clearly obsessed with it because I went on about it for so long. But next up, this is the necklace. I'll try and come closer so you can get a better look at it. This is called the Fortuna necklace. I think that's how you say it. And let me see if I can do this. I wonder if you can see that design. So this is £64 on the website, and it's an engraved mother of pearl with this eye design. I hope you guys can see that. It's super nice, on a nice gold chain. And yeah, it just looks so cute. I love it. And then last of all, we have some earrings. These are called the Dobby Earrings. And again, these are £64 on the website, but there is a 10% discount. And yeah, these are super pretty too. So all gold jewellery, the ones that I picked up. Yeah, super classic. And just pretty. I feel really luxurious with this jewellery on, like look at me. Anyway, so another thing about Ana Luisa, they offer speedy delivery all across the world, and check out their Instagram to stay updated with any new designs. They're always coming out with really cool, unique designs. So yeah, I'll have all of the information in the description box for you guys. But yeah, I'm super excited. This is our first sponsorship by a brand, so thank you guys so much that we are able to do this. It's incredible and I am so grateful. So yeah, thank you so much Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. So now let's get into the mood blanket. So this is what it's, I've got it this way. So this is what it's looking like so far. It doesn't look, I guess it doesn't look too different to when you last saw it because I haven't really touched this in a long time. I basically took a break from the mood flowers because yeah, I was making TikToks every day and I just needed a break. I just needed a little break. So I did a live stream on Wednesday because yeah, we have a lot of catching up to do, and I thought it'd be a really fun idea to do it on live stream so we can crochet and chat together, and you guys can even help pick out which yarn to use, because sometimes I'm a bit stuck. I'm like, I don't know which yellow to use here. So yeah, it's really fun that you guys can put some input into this blanket. Yeah, so it was really exciting chatting with you guys, and you're all so lovely. So yeah, thank you so much for coming along to the live stream. I'm definitely planning to do some more. Yeah, it's just a nice space for us to all crochet together and and chat. So yeah, we did 5, and the last one we did was the 4th of May, which was Productive, and we picked out this really nice aqua colour. You guys loved this colour. It's the Hayfields Bonus DK in the colour Lagoon. Super pretty, that one. Oh, and I have updated the mood list once again, and I'll have it on the screen so you can see and screenshot it. Yeah, I've discovered a lot of new emotions. I like getting very specific with my emotions, so this has become very handy with identifying them. Yeah, so you might have seen there is a new variegated yarn that's been thrown into the mix, and this represents a very mixed emotions day. And this nicely leads us into the mini yarn haul. So this is the yarn that I used. I've got it upside down, great. And it is the James Seabrett Stonewash DK, and this is in the shade SW5. Yeah, so I was using, let's see if I can grab it actually. So I have one of these already in a different colourway, and this is what I was using for my mixed days. So it's the same thing again. Oh, and it's 100% premium acrylic. Yup. 290 meters, 317 yards, DK, and this is in the shade, oh, I've got it covered up, give me a second, SW7. Oh, so this is, oh no, 5 and 7. So yeah, I was using this, and I only had this, and yeah, I just wanted to pick up some more colorways because I just needed more colourways for my mixed, because I didn't want to just use this colour basically. And this one's perfect because it's got the pinks, purples and greens in there, and pink on the mood list represents nervous or anxious, and green represents overjoyed. And some days I will, well, I literally experienced it, that this day, whoa, this day was a very nervous and overjoyed day, so this was perfect for it. So yeah, I want to pick up some more colorways of this. I keep holding it upside down. So that I can have a variety of mixed days, so maybe there will be a different colorway that perfectly suits that day, if that makes sense. So yeah, I picked this up in Hobbycraft, and I think it was around £3, so I would have got more of the colorways, but they were quite pricey in Hobbycraft, so I'm probably gonna pick up some online because I know that they're cheaper online. But yeah, it's a really great yarn. It looks really, really cool, and I love how the flower turned out. Look how pretty. Looks very springy. Springtime appropriate. But yeah, I think it looks really cool in the blanket. So then I picked up 5 skeins of the Signet Pato Everyday DK from Cancer Research UK. So I picked up 5 colours, just one of each of these colours, and I'll go through them. So this is a really vibrant fluorescent neon pink. I can imagine you guys being like, what? Why did you pick up that colour? That's so not you. But I don't know, I just felt like I needed a bright pink in my collection because I think it'd be fun to throw it in and be like a nice poppy colour. So this is the shade 997 Pink. And yeah, I think it would look nice with some neutral colours. And then this is just like a pop of bright pink. And yeah, maybe we can use it in the mood blanket. I'm not too sure, it might be a bit too bright for the blanket, but it's fun. It's handy to have and good for amigurumis too. So yeah. Then I got Walnut, which is a nice, this is more like me, a nice brown colour. It's looking very yellow on my camera, but it is just a nice tan brown colour. Yeah, Walnut 980. So yeah, these were good. I can't remember how much these were though. can't remember. But these are on the cheaper end. They were like £1 something. So then we have this bright yellow colour, and this is in the shade yellow, 996. Really nice bright yellow. I find it really hard to find bright yellows like this. Is that just me? Usually when you buy yellow yarn, it's either mustard or like a light yellow. So I'm really pleased that I'm finding some bright yellows because I need it for my blanket. As you can see, there's like a bright yellow there. Slightly darker, so that's good. Then we have some blues. This is in aqua. So super pretty bright blue colour. Yeah, I got some pretty bright colours, but they were just so pretty. Love it. And then the last colour is this royal blue colour, and it's literally called Royal. 990. Yeah, I don't have any. Do I have any royal blues? No. So there you go. So that is all of the yarn I picked up recently. Oh, look, it makes a tower. Yay! Love it when this happens. Yeah, small little mini yarn haul. Didn't go too crazy. Yeah, so back to the mood blanket. I plan to do some more live streams because we have a lot of catching up to do. As I said before, this was the 4th of May, so lots to do. Yeah, and as soon as I've caught up with the flowers, I will go back to making TikToks daily. Hopefully, that's the plan. Oh, and we have reached the bottom of the blanket now, so I will have the template on the screen as well so you can see. But basically we have done all of our 18 flowers down, and from now on we will just continue making 18 flowers in the diagonal rows until we need to start decreasing again to kind of square it off. But yeah, so now we can have a better look at how big the blanket is gonna be. And this is the short side, so yeah, it's a pretty decent size. Sorry you can't see. But yeah, it's really hard to show you how big it is, but if I stand up and hold it here, it reaches my feet. Yay! So from like my collarbone, I guess, or just beneath my collarbone, it goes all the way to the floor. So yeah, and I want to say 5'5". I don't know, but I will obviously measure it when it's all done. Okay, so I just measured it from this flower all the way down to this yellow one at the bottom, and it is 47.5 inches. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the link in the description box below to check out Ana Luisa and use my code Ravetina10 to get 10% off stunning sustainable jewellery. Hope you're having a lovely day, happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!